बेसिकली बनती है बादाम, केसर, गुलाब जल, दूध, इलायची और चीनी से। इसे ठंडाई इसलिए कहते हैं बिकॉज इट कूल्स द बॉडी इन द हॉट मंथ्स ऑफ समर। आज हम ठंडाई के साथ कुछ अतरंगा करेंगे। लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्विस्ट and make a Thandai Mousse cake, or rather bake a Thandai Mousse cake. We're going to start with flour, into which we're going to be adding baking powder or thoda sa soda bicarb, and of course yummy cardamom powder. We're going to leave this to activate. Just stir the soda bicarb and the baking powder and the cardamom powder into this maida or all-purpose flour, and we're going to leave it here onto the side. Now, in this bowl, I'm going to be using dahi or yogurt, and then of course castor sugar and some oil. And now with a nice strong whisk, bring this together. This looks lovely. So into this, I'm going to be adding my vanilla essence. Little at a time, I'm going to be adding our flour. Till you get that smooth consistency that you want without any lumps. This is it. It is beautifully whisked, nicely done, and it has no lumps in it. I'm going to transfer this into this baking tray. So I'm going to butter the pan. That is it. And now I'm just going to put all this batter into this greased baking pan. Now I'm going to bake this in my preheated oven, 180 degrees for 25 minutes, or till the cake is completely done. All right, our cake is now ready, or actually oh, lovely. So this is the base of our mousse cake. I'm going to now leave it here to completely cool. अब हम लोग mousse बनाते हैं. अभी mousse बनाने के लिए पहले तो we have to take white chocolate and अच्छी तरह से chop करके रखिए. And so now what we have to do is start with thick cream. So we're going to put this non-stick pan on and we're going to pour the cream into this. You heat this cream really well till you see that it's starting to kind of bubble. So as you can see, our cream has started to bubble, which means it's absolutely perfect for me to add it into the white chocolate. And very quickly, we're going to just whisk it all together. And what you're going to get is a beautiful ganache. Into this, I'm now going to be adding my Thandai, which is the flavor of the cheesecake. So in it goes. This is ready. Now I'm going to start adding the whipped cream to the white chocolate. My whipped cream is lying in the fridge. So now I'm going to take a big bowl. I'm going to pour my Thandai into this big bowl. And now into this, I'm going to be adding our cream. Now, all you do is the flavor of the cheesecake needs to get folded into the cream. This is done. So our cake is absolutely cool. Add our Thandai Mousse to this. And now, I'm just going to spread this with a spatula. I have here finely chopped almonds and pistachios. So I'm going to just put this all over the cake. So now, we're going to put our saffron strands. That is going to add flavor and color. So this is it, our Thandai Mousse cake that I'm going to chill in the refrigerator. I'm going to place this right here in the center. अब बस इसमें थोड़ा भांग स्प्रिंकल करें. I'm just kidding. वैसे अगर आप मिलाना चाहें तो आप मिला सकते हैं. So this is our Thandai Mousse cake. So let's see how this was made.
To make Thandai Mousse cake, for the sponge cake, in 200 gram all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. In a separate bowl, take 100 gram yogurt, 100 gram castor sugar, 60 ml vegetable oil, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Add the activated flour and mix it into a homogenous batter. Spray 1 to 2 tablespoon butter on the baking container and pour the batter in it. Now in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, bake for 25 minutes. Your sponge cake is ready. For Thandai Mousse, in a separate bowl, take 100 gram chopped white chocolate and heat 100 ml fresh cream in a pan. Now pour heated fresh cream on the chopped white chocolate cubes and mix it together to form a homogeneous liquid. Add 2 tablespoon Thandai syrup and mix it. Fold 250 ml whipped cream in the mixture and put it on the cake to form a layer. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoon finely chopped almonds and pistachios and half teaspoon saffron strands. Now cool the cake in a refrigerator for 60 minutes. Your Thandai Mousse cake is ready.